internet na kapagka nawala siya, what do we go back
Yo
to?
radio, yung old school. Yeah.
Yeah. So, parang sabihin na natin na yes, unti-unti medyo nawawala siya, pero kasi hindi siya puwedeng mawala totally because if this or what happened to Spain happened to us here in the Philippines, where do we go back to?
Yes, oo,
Right?
tama. Kailangan talagang balikan mo yung nakaraan talaga kasi yun nga naalala ko nung 90s panay brownout nun
Yeah.
and then we have that radio transistor pa ginagamit nun, eh, kaya 'di baterya pa
Exactly.
yung mga 'di baterya pang radio and then people, yung mga news nila is come up from the radio talaga. Kasi kung walang TV,
Exactly.
radio talaga, 'di battery pa radio has been in 1920 pa it's been 80 to 100 years na in radio. Kaya imposibleng mawala. Nandiyan pa rin siya pero in the help of internet o sa ating technology rin, yung radio
Totoo.
nakakatulong siya to inform us na there's more than way. Pwede sa social media, pwede. Anday kagandahan ngayon, makikita na yung mga radio broadcaster, radio DJ on live.